So what will be the worst travel day, Kristen?
Yeah,
so
weather-wise.
weather-wise.
I think it's going to end up being Wednesday, but especially Thursday and then Friday. This weekend looks unsettled too, so we're going to be watching that really closely, but we got to get through these first couple of systems and it's just going to make a mess. So if you can leave early, the best idea would be to get out the door. If you have to go over mountain passes, do it early tomorrow, because tomorrow night is when it really starts to turn treacherous, and then after that the snow is just not going to go away. Here's a look at Mount Hood Meadows. Some good news though, if you're not traveling and you're prepared for it, I think there's a chance they may be opening up this Friday. So there is going to be so much snow coming down, a couple of feet of snow, at least it looks like this week. So we're gearing up for a stormy week ahead. Heaviest rain is going to be tomorrow evening through tomorrow night, and then again on Thursday. Thursday is going to be very wet and very blustery. As far as the winter travel over passes, again, starting tomorrow night and then pretty much through the weekend, expect winter driving conditions over most of the passes. And then we're going to have to watch the wind closely too on top of all the rain. Windy conditions for the coast Wednesday night and again on Thursday. So you may run into issues there, and even at some of the coastal passes, you may run into a little bit of light slushy snow there too as temperatures start to drop. Out there right now, things are really quiet. A few little showers trying to push in over the Cascades and then a couple of showers off the coast. So really no big deal weather-wise this evening. Everything is looking fairly dry, fairly quiet. The main thing to watch out for later tonight, areas of fog developing. We wake up tomorrow morning, here's that first band of rain getting ready to push in, and by 8 a.m. it's going to be moving into coastal areas and then later in the day into the valley. 52 degrees out there right now. Today we topped out in the upper 50s, 57. Today is by far the warmest day of the week, so don't get used to that. It's going to be chilly the rest of the week, struggling to get out of the 40s. This evening we'll fall to the 40s by about 8 o'clock, and then we'll stay there, again, watching for areas of fog to develop, just slight rain chances. Tomorrow morning, the biggest deal will be watching out for that fog as you make that morning commute. Here's that storm system. It's back to our west. That's going to be the first in a series of systems to move through, and that's going to bring in that heavy rain and the cool down too. So temperatures falling into the 40s now, but again, we'll have a tough time even making it out of the 40s as that system moves closer. So travel conditions through the gorge as we look ahead to Wednesday and really beyond. Wet roads, windy at times, government camp, snowy roads Wednesday through Sunday. You'll want to have the traction tires or the chains. Same thing for Santiam Pass. As we start to head a little bit farther east, Blue Mountains, snow and wind Wednesday morning through Sunday. You'll need the chains and the traction tires there, especially by Thanksgiving Day. Coast Range may run into a little bit of slush there. Shouldn't cause too many problems. And then for I-5 through the Siskiyous, snowy roads Wednesday through Sunday. And I have a feeling if you are able to leave early Tuesday, you may be okay. It's going to be coming back where you're going to have to battle more weather. So please be careful traveling. Rain and cloud forecast for tomorrow by noon. The showers are pushing in. It'll be wet at times. We could pick up a quarter to half an inch of rain tomorrow. After 5 o'clock, snow levels start to drop and it starts to really pack over the Cascades and the mountains there late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Wednesday will be one of those days where we'll have showers on and off and on and off. Some of these will come in the downpours, and Wednesday is going to be a very snowy day for the Cascades. And then we get to Thanksgiving. Here comes the next system. Look at this band of rain moving in. This is Thursday morning. Very heavy rain, strong winds. We may even have wind warnings to deal with at the coast. And of course, it's bringing snow to the Cascades. And this is when things start to go south in central and eastern Oregon. That Thursday system is going to pack a much bigger punch. Your forecast for Tuesday, low 50s, wet at times, a little breezy. Wednesday, scattered showers, and that snow is piling up on the mountain. Thursday, very wet, breezy to even windy conditions east of the Cascades too. This weekend brings yet another system. Highs stay in the 40s after tomorrow. So your 7-day forecast, it is just going to be a messy week. We'll have to watch out for even some localized flooding, I think, by the time we get to Thursday, because we're going to see so much heavy rain. We could pick up close to an inch by the end of Tuesday, maybe another half an inch to 3/4 of an inch Wednesday, and then Thursday, very heavy rain, and of course all that translating into all that snow coming down at the mountains. So download the PDX weather app. We're going to be Facebook Living, keeping you up to date. If you have questions about where you're traveling, you can always get a hold of us on that. And of course you can track the alerts, and I'm sure are going to be issued over the next few days for this area as you travel to.
Yeah, so everyone be prepared and be careful as you're traveling.
And get excited for the snow on the mountain, because you might be skiing after the Thanksgiving dinner.
Thanks, Kristen.
All right, happening right now, we're continuing to follow our top story.